Alright folks, this is yet another update. As you can see, the grinder now is mostly reassembled. All the wiring has been reconnected and put back in place. The wheels are back on. The main guards are on, although I haven't put the side guards on yet. Now I'm going to talk a bit about the grinder, and hopefully you'll be able to see how well that's actually spinning now.
Why are you so down? You don't even know me. Very well.
It's difficult to hold the camera steady enough so that you can appreciate how
Okay, so you do know.
how good the wheel is running.
Okay.
Now that wheel there is running pretty much bang on, okay? I see no oscillation laterally or rotationally.
Sir, just holding this position north of here.
Sir, General, this is a 1 mile perimeter. Forget it, Richard. You had your shot.
Pretty good.
This is a military operation now. So jam the signal, get out of the way, and let us do our job. You don't understand. No, you don't understand.
So
let me make it clear.
happy with that one.
I'm
Not so happy with this one, okay?
got it? But I guess, you know, high school.
No, you're right. I didn't. I stayed in and studied.
You can even see
And 15 years
rotational oscillation on the nut, okay? Now there's lateral oscillation on the wheel.
And I say he's not going to get a damn thing unless he does exactly what I tell him. It starts
So
between my friends and me with some respect.
that's definitely a fault that needs to be addressed. Now
What he wants.
if I take this nut off and then remove the wheel, one of my first concerns was that the shaft itself was bent just at this end, but we've already tested the shaft. The shaft is running pretty good. I don't see any oscillation in the shaft. Now watch when I put this nut on. The threads of the nut's pretty poor. If you notice the nut as it goes on seems to do that, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. I think the thread on the nut hasn't been cut square to the face. I might try skimming the faces of the nut up to see if that'll help, but I'm thinking I might need to cut a new or get a replacement for that, because I don't think that's going to be helpful. As you can see from the face of the nut, she only